Familie in German. Familie. Hello everyone, Rucha is Khot here from Flora Language Solutions. Know more on ruchaflora.com. So today I am bringing you a glimpse into the German-English Visual Bilingual Dictionary. Today we will learn about certain topics like relationships and family in German. I usually use this book to teach German to my students. So I thought, why not make a video on one or two topics and check if you guys also like it. So without much ado, let's begin today's video. Before continuing, please do consider subscribing to my channel if you have not, and hit the notification bell so that you keep getting future updates. Do check out the description box for more videos on my channel. The German-English Visual Bilingual Dictionary. Today's topic is going to be the Familie, family. The Familie, family. Let's learn about people or relations in our family. Die Großmutter, grandmother. Die Großvater, grandfather. Der Onkel, uncle. Die Tante, aunt. Der Vater, father. Die Mutter, mother. Der Cousin, cousin. Der Bruder, brother. Die Schwester, sister. Die Ehefrau, wife. Die Schwiegertochter, daughter-in-law. Der Sohn, son. Die Tochter, daughter. Der Schwiegersohn, son-in-law. Der Enkel, grandson. Die Enkelin, granddaughter. Die Schwiegermutter, mother-in-law. Der Schwiegervater, father-in-law. Der Schwager, brother-in-law. Die Schwägerin, sister-in-law. Die Nichte, niece. Der Neffe, nephew. Let's learn some of the common vocabulary in the Familie. Die Großeltern, grandparents. Die Verwandten, relatives. Die Enkelkinder, grandchildren. Die Stiefmutter, stepmother. Die Stieftochter, stepdaughter. Die Generation, generation. Die Eltern, parents. Die Kinder, children. Der Stiefvater, stepfather. Der Stiefsohn, stepson. Der Partner, die Partnerin, partner. Die Zwillinge, twins. Let's learn the stages of growing up. The Stadien, stages. Das Baby, das Kind. Der Junge, das Mädchen. Die Jugendliche, teenager. Der Erwachsene, adult. Der Mann, man. Die Frau, woman. The titles which we have in the Familie. The Unrede, titles. The Unreden, titles. Fräulein, Fräulein. Miss, Herr, Mr. Frau, Mrs. Sorry for the mispronunciation here. It's Fräulein, Fräulein. This was the brief video today about the Familie. See you in the next one with another topic. Let me give you a glimpse. I hope you are noting down the articles. This I have taken from a book called German English Visual Bilingual Dictionary. This dictionary is easily available on Amazon. I hope you liked today's video. See you in the next one. Please check out the description box for more such videos, and do consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell. See you in the next one. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.